Thank you, Chad. As the warm weather quickly approaches, safety concerns for the summer months reappear. News 18 spoke with local trauma medical doctor about the season's risk factors and how to avoid them.
Trauma Awareness Month, and with the weather getting warmer by the day, kids and adults alike are engaging in activities more commonly known to involve injuries. Whether that be swimming in deep lakes where drowning is a concern, or rivers where rip currents can unexpectedly pull a swimmer beyond their limits, summer could easily become a dangerous season. Trauma Medical Director at Riley Children's Hospital, Matthew Landman, says that water safety is of utmost importance, especially for toddlers.
It's encouraging children to maintain safety by wearing a life jacket if you're in open water. It's by parents maintaining vigilance by keeping track of their toddler if they've got a pool at their own home. It's understanding the risks at other homes, going to friends and families' homes who have backyard pools, making sure there's a fence around it, making sure that the door locks to that fence. It's getting children into swimming lessons early. I think sometimes people forget that, but even young children can start to interface with water and learn the basics of swimming, which could potentially save their life.
Landman says after toddlers, adolescence is the age group that comes second when it comes to drowning. Landman recommends them to wear life vests while swimming in lakes or open water. Another prevalent issue in the area from that age group is diving accidents.
Parents talk to their adolescent children about maintaining safe water practices by not diving into water in which they don't know the depth.
He also mentions that falls for kids are a big cause of many of his patients coming to the hospital, especially from windows, as in the summer, sometimes the only barrier between the children and falling out of them is a weak window screen. According to the Indiana Department of Health, injury is the leading cause of death for Hoosiers under 45 and the fifth leading cause of death for Hoosiers of all ages. In 2019, there were 308 injury-related deaths among Hoosier children. Landman says the best way to combat this issue is to be that example for your children, for example, wearing a helmet while riding a bike. He says that kids look up to their parents and follow their actions more than one would expect, and being that example is crucial.
The number one thing that I recommend is vigilance, right? Understanding where your kids are at, what potential issues might arise.
Reporting from West Lafayette, Ani Kasparian, News 18.
If you would like to learn more about how to keep your kids safe this summer, head over onto our website at WLFI.com.